All right, here I am within my classes. This is where you're going to go into topics, all of our topics across the school, campus wide, as we look into this for remote learning and consistency across the board. We're going to put these topics are now going to be March 28 through 29, session 1, session 2, March 30 through April 3rd, session 1, session 2. Inside of those topics, once you have those, this is a way that the students can go straight to here. There's no questioning about an email that needs to be sent. It's all going to be here. Once we get into these sessions, I've got this one divided into two. I've got as a class, this is the stuff that you'll do on a Zoom call or however that you're communicating with your students. And then independently. Independently, this is where they'll be doing extra work or work from within what you had talked about during a Nearpod, during an Ed puzzle, during a PowerPoint. This could be doing research. This could be doing problems. This could be doing a lot of different things. This is going to be the extra work that you have them doing independently as opposed to meeting with you in the Zoom room. Now, one of the big questions here that you'll notice is if you have topic priority. When I go to topic priority, these are going to automatically be down at the bottom, okay? But I can go to topic priority and I can move all the way down and then move those things back up to the top. So I've got this, I can move back around, and then I can situate those to where they are first and foremost there. So on April 3rd, March 30th through April 3rd, I'm probably going to want to move that to the top along with the session 2 so that they'll both be there. So now I got them ready to roll for next week, March 28th, that first week, and then the March 30th as that second week. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and that's going to have them in the position that I want them to be in from day one.